What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. I'm super freaking excited to be finally making this video, sharing the special news with you guys. I'm super excited, to share these two big announcements with you guys. As you guys can see by the title of the video, we do have a new car coming to the channel. So the website's coming, it's officially live. Go check it out. We're gonna give you guys a little sneak peek, but I'd like to introduce you guys the 2007 Hawkeye Subaru STI. Alright guys, so like I said, the website is officially, live, it's launched, so go check it out. We just gave you guys, a little sneak peek of it. But let's start digging into this Hawkeye, guys. I want to, give it a nice bath, get it really detailed, get you guys some good slow-mos and show you what this thing's about. I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of backstory about how I did get the car. I was gonna record it, but honestly, I just had a lot of anxiety, a lot of, nerves that day, so I didn't even really pick up the camera much. But here she is, guys, the 2007 STI. I've been looking for something clean, especially, down here in New England. The rust, it's hard to find something with, that's not clapped out and rust. So we ended up driving up to New York, Pine Plains, New York. Shout out to my boy John up there. He hooked me up on a great freaking deal. We actually, made a little bit of friendship of it. So, I'm super excited to start working on this car, give it some love. I've been wanting one of these, for a really long time. So I'm hella excited, guys. On the odometer, it has 119K, all original miles, original motor, guys. The car is pretty much a bone stock. We'll get into more with you, obviously, but this is what I was looking for, guys. A bone stock car, really, that I can just start off with myself and learn more and really get my hands into. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see till it's, to the build. I already got some plans for sure in my head, so drop those comments, let me know what you guys want to see. I am absolutely excited to start making content on this new build. Let's get to it, baby. All right, guys, so the website is live. Like I said, we are going to be giving a surprise to the first 10 people that do order from the website. A little something extra to add in, nothing crazy, because, we are just starting out, guys, but we just wanted to show you guys that we're appreciative and show us some support. So go check out the website, guys. Link is in the description on Instagram. It's going to be everywhere, so hell yeah. Alright guys, so the Hawkeye is in the driveway. No, you're chilling, Harry. The Hawkeye's in the driveway, and we're gonna start giving this car some love. I want to go over a few things with you guys on exactly, the first few things I'm gonna be doing to it, because it is an introduction video. So like I said, the car has 119,000 miles, 3 owners. Rust underneath is really clean. Obviously it's gonna need a set of new shoes, some tires. We do have some tires already in the garage from Betsy, if you guys remember the 12 WRX. So we're gonna use those tires for sure. And yeah, we're gonna start off obviously by giving this thing a nice bath. I already gave it an oil change, obviously, because I drove it back about 3 hours from New York. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited to get into this build, man. And yeah, let's give this thing a nice detail, a nice wash. Oh yeah, the other thing I wanted to show you guys is we're gonna be replacing this fender. This is pretty much the only fault of this car, is a little bit of rust there on that fender. But like I said, when we jack this thing up, I'll show you guys underneath. Super clean underneath. I'm excited working on this build. So let's jump into it, guys. We're gonna start Scooby up real quick, move her out of the way so then we can pull the Hawkeye in the middle, really, you know, focus on it, just have enough room and stuff. Harry's here, by the way. So shout out to Harry. Look at Shadow, guys, looking so freaking clean. He's got this thing so shiny right now. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely love it. Well, maybe we'll get a cold start for you guys with this thing too, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're working our ass off over here. We got the boys, we got Jared, TCP, Matt pulled through. Really grateful for them to help me, you know, get this baby nice and clean, looking the way it should be. So, hell yeah, guys. Oh my god. No fucking way, dude. This still feels like I'm fucking dreaming, guys. They're waxing it up right now. It looks freaking sick. Oh my gosh. Definitely, after seeing it clean, this fender needs to get fixed, guys. Fender, tires, like I said, we got Betsy's wheels in the garage. I'll show you guys those real quick. Actually, they're way in the back, but we got them right here. We're gonna go throw these wheels on soon. They're Falcons all season, so that's gonna be super, super fucking sick. All right, guys, so before we give this thing a little interior detail, I wanna show you guys exactly really how it's looking in here. Nothing crazy, but definitely needs some love. What's up, Jarrett?
What's up?
Harry's already starting up here. But, you know, rugs need some love, need some attention. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so it's actually just started raining a little bit, but the car's looking freaking absolutely beautiful. I want to show you guys a little bit of the inside. We're getting there, nice and clean now. Seats are looking super sweet. Oh, whoo! We're looking nice and clean, boys. So, we'll get some slow-mos for you guys. We'll get some rollers. We'll end this video out. Remember, if you haven't yet, go check out the new website. It's in the link in the description. We're live now. Go buy some merch. Support the channel. Hell yeah. And all right, guys, it is actually official, man. We own a 2007 Hawkeye STI. She's officially nice and clean. We did get the wheels on, so we got brand new, you know, Falcon all seasons on because, you know, the tires were pretty messed up. But interior is nice and clean. Car's nice and clean. And all right, guys, remember the website is officially live, so go check it out in the description. You know, we got a bunch of merch, some items you can buy. It's gonna sell out pretty quick, so if I was you guys, I'd go check it out. But all right, guys, remember, if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, show us all the love, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.